I experienced a drastically bad general general train traveling experience. People were people were even rarely some of people rarely able to to touch their touch the ground with their feet touch the floor with their feet. Everyone were like bathed with sweat, and altogether you are in also in danger of losing your mobile phones and money. In such a situation, people generally went to the sleeper buggy and request TT not to find them, but and they somehow traveled 2 to 3 stations sitting in sleeper.